This time around, we're looking at the Siku 1975-1976 catalog. Now, I'm not all that familiar with Siku castings, since I don't know that I've ever purchased one in a store. I think I've received one or two in groups of cars I've bought, but they have some really interesting castings. Now, these all appear to be larger than 1/64th. These appear to be 1/43rd scale castings, as best as I can tell. Kind of looking at the sizes here. If you agree with me, I think that's what we're looking at. Nice little Porsche 914/6, Lamborghini Espada, 400 GT Espada. Porsche 911 with opening doors. I wish that was a different color. But yeah, at the same time, I love the Porsche Carrera 906 up here. That just looks good. VW 1300, Ford GT40. Mustang Mach 1. I used to love the Mustang Mach 1s. Not that I don't anymore. I didn't mean to imply that the way I said it. Postwagen, Postvan. Lifting van. I wonder how that lifts. Oops. Motorway patrol car, police car. Police eye, radar control. VW bus, and that's radar on top. That's interesting that the front opens like that. Maserati Boomerang. VW bus. VW van. That's interesting. With this tent trailer thing. With boat trailer and tent. Ford Granada. Oldsmobile and Caravan. Ford Transit camper. Oh, there's a better look at that open. That's interesting. That's really cool. I bet that's really tough to find now. Ambulances. That's neat the way that opens in the back. That opens all around. That's nice. But again, it's a larger scale, so it's easier to do that kind of thing. Fire trucks. That's cool. These have hose reels that come off. That's really kind of cool. Automobile Club testing vehicle. That's cool. I really like that. Apparently, I'm assuming it opens on both sides and it just drives through. That's neat. That's such a good idea. Racetrack, please. You gotta love that. International breakdown truck. And look how it grabs the car. Construction stuff, road work. All the signs. Tractors. Kid playing with the toys. That's neat. A lorry with crane and boat. I like the strap, how they have like the simulated straps to hold the boat. silo transporter. Oh, check it out. Like you can lift the silo. Well, I'm assuming you do that by hand. It doesn't look like there's any device that raises it, but they're just trying to show it. Cement mixer. I don't know why this has an erector set look to me. Dumper placer, lorry with crane and rail sections. Transporter with mobile crane. And it does lift stuff. Oh yeah, there's a hook and a crank. Refuse truck. Huh, interesting. Transporter with awning, and that does look like it's soft. It has a leather type look to it. Like it's a heavy vinyl or something like that. It's not just a hard plastic piece. It does look like it's soft and it hooks. Huh. Kid with the gas station. Fuel tanker. I bet that hose comes out too. I bet it unreels off of there. It just looks like it, kind of like the fire hose reels. Container trucks. Fuel tankers. Racetrack fuel tanker. Oh, with the hoses that hook up to it and everything. That's cool. A petrol station and transporter. That has a nice look to it. Building transporter. So apparently this is the garage being transported. That breaks down to that. Huh, yeah. Oh, here's a listing of the vehicles we've seen. And that's it for the Siku 1975-1976 catalog. Thanks for watching.